Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. It is currently 2nd August 2026. I am in this beautiful place that you can see right here is Red Lotus Lake, Kumpawapi District, Udon Thani Province. Now, it is currently slightly chilly for Thailand because it is the rainy season, and I just rode about 40 kilometers from Udon Thani, which is the major city. Now, when I came here, the hope was that there wouldn't be any clouds in the sky because I left the hotel where I was staying at 5 in the morning, so I couldn't see that it was cloudy, and I kind of hoped that I would get something sort of like sunrise, like golden hour, but instead this is what we get. So bear with me, okay? So normally right now it is the lake is running low. So usually the lake is much larger than this, and they have like boat rides that you can take that take you out into the lake, and the lotus flowers are blooming, and it's so nice, and you find a lot of couples, and it's scenic and it's romantic and it's all that. But clearly it is not the season. The season is, I will double check, but it is not the season. So we are going to have to change plans. Luckily, I do have a plan B. Something sort of like 60 to 80 kilometers from here is, I hope I'm saying this correctly, but Phuophoi National Park. So there are plenty of nice twisty roads for me to enjoy on the Xmax 300 that I rented yesterday. And I am gonna go there, and we are gonna get some more footage for you to see. So Red Lotus Lake, unfortunately a bust, but I don't mind. I enjoyed the ride here on the bike, and I'm gonna enjoy the ride to Phuophoi National Park. Okay, see you there. So guys, this is the bike I've been telling you guys about. If you are familiar with scooters or bikes, this is the Yamaha Xmax. It's a 300cc motorcycle, and it's really fun to ride. Like, I genuinely like this bike. I just chewed up 40 kilometers like it was nothing. It's stable, it goes pretty fast. Actually, the acceleration on this thing is quite nice, and one of the good features is that it comes with a very large storage. You can see I put my tripod, some snacks, some water. I could even put, and I still have plenty more space in here. I know it looks ugly and stuff, but yeah, so it's a very practical bike for doing the kind of things that I'm doing today. It's not very clean. It's a rental, in my defense, so I'm not the one who was in charge of cleaning it. I got it like this yesterday. I paid about 600 Thai baht from a rental dealership in Udon Thani. I'll put the math up on the screen for you if you're curious, but Yamaha Xmax 300, if you come to Thailand, I can recommend this bike, provided that you do have some riding experience. This is not a beginner-friendly scooter at all. You need to have some experience, and you need to be at least tall. I am 5'10", and I can ride this bike comfortably. I can flat-foot it. But if you are 5'7" or 5'6", you are going to struggle. So this is the Red Lotus Lake where we were at. A very beautiful place. Unfortunately, all the boats are grounded. The lake is shallow, and it is not the season for watching the lotuses. So we will come back at a later date. As for now, we are gonna go to Phuophoi National Park. A lot of bikers here. Okay, so to start this bike, you gotta have the key somewhere near you, and then you gotta twist this like that, and then voila, switches on. Okay, that's it for now. I had to stop and appreciate how massive that tree is. It might not appear so in the camera, but you see that? That's like a one-story house, and that's the tree. I mean, I think that's one of the largest trees I've personally seen in Thailand. Like, height and just sheer size. Let me see if I can get closer. Yep, she's a big girl. Yes, she is. And then I think she has like honeycombs on top. Okay, we have made it to our second destination. This is Khoi Nang Waterfall Forest Park. So I believe that there is a waterfall to that direction. And up here is Phuphui Lom, where they have a viewpoint. Now, right before, it was a bit quiet, but now, as you can tell, it's not very quiet anymore. So, waterfall this way, Forest Park viewpoint that way. Yeah, I swear to God, I did another take, and that take, it was dead silent. The only thing you could hear were birds, and then all of a sudden, traffic. What can you do? Anyway, things are quite green at the moment, so let's go and check it out. And hopefully, the waterfall has a lot of water right now. Let's go. Can you hear that? It's getting louder. Let's go see. So, as you can see, I was really enjoying this mini waterfall, and I did have a good time that day. I do recommend that if you're ever in the area, do check it out. It was nice. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of footage for this place, so I'm gonna kind of end the vlog here. But before we go, I'm gonna leave you with some clips from the viewpoint at Phuphui Lom National Park to just wind us down. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you are interested in watching more from me, and please do consider leaving this video a like and a comment. Thank you so much. Salute to you everybody. See you next time.